Okay, I've never done a daytime stream. So thought I would get on here and try it out. So I did add some to the 250K. And I said last night on stream I was expecting, I think that they TTO'd. And I really believe that now. So looks like maybe potentially tomorrow we could get a down day. Oh, that's what I'm anticipating. And so we'll see if it happens or not. Right now, it looks like they may come back and test this liquidity right here, 18,708. Okay, well, I certainly didn't mean to do that. Lord of mercy. Right now, I can't tell if they're going to come up here to 711, 709 to 711, or down through 691. So, don't know why that data is taking so long to load. It doesn't make any... There we go. Okay, so here's your 4 hour. So I don't know, you know, I can't tell if they're coming up here or all the way back down here. I'm going to go long right here. Just try to catch a few points. That's why I prefer not to trade New York. I mean, you know, you guys know I mostly stick to trading Globex. I just prefer to trade Globex, honestly. Yeah, it's going to come down, probably hitting my stop. I want to try to give it a little bit of wiggle room. Let's see if it at least comes to up to 6. Unless it takes my stop first. Well, there we go. It's moving to 6. So I'll move my stop there at 6. Alright, it took one of them. I guess I had 2 in. Do I have 2? Yeah. So I'll move my stop back right there to 5. See if it takes it. Yep, okay. So they are coming back to Tesla's liquidity here, like I said, at 8. If they keep coming up, then I'd look for 22 to hit. Let's go long 1. I'm going to go long 1. Put a stop in case they don't decide to take it right now. But I said last night on stream, I thought they may have TTO'd. And for those of you that don't know, it's a strat term. It means triangle the out. And So on the daily, it looks like that could be a strong possibility. Okay, it just took my stop again. So I'm not mad about it. Now it's going to go up here and test 21. Watch. If it gets back up, to 21. Shoot. I did not mean to do that. I didn't mean to have 3 in. Good Lord. Okay, that was wild. Alright, here's 21 incoming. Alright, done. Took my stop on that last one. Alright, I'm going to go back short. I'm risking back up to 21. I'll put it 24. I'll give it a little bit of room. I don't know, I just feel like with day session, you just gotta be so daggum precise, and that's what I don't like about it, honestly. night session, it moves a lot slower, so I don't have to be as accurate with my entries and exits, and I can give it a little more wiggle room. But daytime session, it's almost like you got to be perfect with it. I mean, I had almost a perfect entry and exit there on that last one, and what I just realized was this new 4-hour candle is back inside. So we had the 5 a.m. candle was outside candle because it took out both sides of this range, right? This was more of a doji. It came up, they took out both sides of this range, and now we're back inside. So I didn't recognize that until now. Honestly, I wish I had, but so pretty much the range you can play. If you're good at range trading, you can just play within this range. You'll be fine. And they're going to take out my stop. If I wanted to be aggressive, I could move my stop here to 28. I made one small trade on my PA account. Glad it took my stop and lost $38, so it's fine. It basically lost a profit from yesterday. I don't trade heavy in my PA account at all. I'm usually a little more risky in my eval account. I see why a lot of people that stream during the day though just sit on their hands and wait, because it's just so, I don't know. I just normally I'm not even home at this time, and I woke up not feeling too well, so I ended up taking a sick day from work. But Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know how people trade during the day. This is bonkers. I'd much rather stick to Globex. I feel like it doesn't move around as much during Globex, at least. But it is respecting levels. I mean, I gotta say that. I just don't know which way they're gonna take it. So if I want to stop back out and profit, though, I can move my stop back. Dadgummit, I'm trying to get it to move back to break even. If it gets back below here, I would feel much more confident in going back short. And in fact, I'm going to do that. So 1708. Alright, it took my stop there. Probably if I went down to a lower time frame, I could tell, but I just don't. I mean, I prefer trading on the 4 hour, 1 hour. See, that's probably roughly half of this range at 16, so I'm going to go back short, risking 16. Let's give it a little wiggle room. We'll risk 18. This 4 hour clearly is going to stay inside. Alright, so you guys see why I really don't like trading New York. I've just got so comfortable trading Globex that New York is just a little more difficult for me, I guess. That's all. My clue was here, though, whenever it didn't break this and take this 2 down into here. 65. So they dropped it, but then they started buying it all the way back up. You could have looked for them to go long here at this liquidity at 682, and then this one here at 693, targeting this wick here at 1706. Because if you drop down to a smaller time frame on the 1 hour, 30 minute, you'll see your entry. But you could also, you also could have entered long here at 708, targeting back up here to this body, this liquidity here at 21, which is what I did a little earlier. So that's why I said they're going to come up and target 21 as liquidity. I don't know why Quant Tower does this. It's so weird. I don't know. I really need to do, like, I wish somebody had some more videos on Quant Tower, because I really like it, but man, sometimes it's just, you know, like if I type in NQ, like, why the heck is it not, you know, bringing it back up? Okay, so let's look here. What account was this? 28. Okay. 28. All right. So I did say it on stream last night, though. I was expecting a TTO today, and I think that's exactly what they're doing, and they're going to deliver. And I'd be looking for a pullback tomorrow. I mean, it makes sense because we've had massive up days, and we just need a little bit of relief to the downside. So, let's see here. What do I want to do? I want to go down to 15 minutes. And this is where I'll show you where you could have actually gone long if you'd look at this entry here as long as 672. So let's just say here TTO. This is the outside candle, but green, so you could have went long right here. They did come back and test it again, though, so you could have seen this as almost a double bottom or TTO, and then right back up. Reversal is the name of the game, guys. In my opinion, I mean, you know, I'm pretty much a reversal trader. I look for those long-term reversals. The longer-term reversals, longer time frame. But right now, we're just stuck. Listen, calm down. Hush. If you happen to be tuning into my stream for the first time, I trade the strat that Rob Smith created. I mostly, well, I learned a lot from Rob, but I mostly learned from Sarah Strat Sniper YouTube channel. She, I felt like, did a fabulous job of breaking down the strat and teaching it. And then, you know, I've picked up different things from Alex's Options. Also, great teacher of the strat. Strat Soldier does a weekend video on the strat as well. And ADEX Trades uses interesting time frames along with the strat. And so, you know, but I learned a lot from those guys. And then I implemented 3 ICT concepts. The only 3 that I use is liquidity, volume imbalance, and fair value gaps. So those are the only 3 that I implemented there, as far as that goes. Yeah, so see, my PA account I lost $38.50 on. Well, you could have gotten back long 21. That basically covered half of this body right here. But we are still back inside. So, outside, back inside. It's been a huge part of my strategy for a very long time. Outside move, consolidation back inside, and then they'll decide later this afternoon whether they want to take us 2 back up or they reverse us, take us 2 down. So we'll see. I may have to wait until this afternoon to make another trade. A 3-1 setup is absolutely a fantastic setup. They could go 3-2 here. I don't know. We'll see. Very possible. Wow. Let's see if they take us 3-2. I don't know, but I'm gonna set a go short order right there. If it gets back up there, it'll fill me short. We'll see what happens. I'll set a stop for right there. That would make it 3-2. I'm so tempted to go back short right now. In fact, I'm going to. Alright, I'm back short. I got a buy limit back up there at 34, so just starting at 3 points. It may take it, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to add another one. Alright, it took one. Took the other one. Well, actually, that was the one I needed for them to take to go back short. I'm going to put the stop back in up here. Yeah, New York is just, golly, it's way jumpy for me. I don't really, it's not my preferred way of trading. Wait a minute, they did take us 2 up on the 4 hour. See? Outside, back inside, up, 2 up. So they did take us 2 up green on the 4 hour. Okay, I'm going to get out. I'm going to flatten. Since they took us 2 up green. They may have double topped it here, though. Yeah, this is why I don't like trade. Whew, New York is way different than Globex. That's for sure. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Wow, talk about a 3-2. Good Lord. That's insane. Oh, forgot about those orders. Oh my gosh, 5 MNQ just right there. I thought I was out of all my orders. Dang it. Well, it is what it is. Okay. It's the power of micros, though, apparently. That's insane. I was not expecting that. I mean, a 2-up like that. I mean, it went 2-up and it just kept going. I'm definitely glad I got stopped out for minimal loss on my PA account. Good thing I didn't do minis on that. Ooh. So that's one of the ones I had. That's one of the ones I had at 251-ish thousand. So really, I only gave some of the profit back on that. So I'm okay. I'm still in good shape. So I probably went maybe $500 into that drawdown. Let's see. So on Tradevate, if your accounts are on Tradevate, you can bring this up here and bring this up off screen so you don't see my login information. This candle on NQ almost looks outside, but another outside candle, but it's not. It's just a big two down green. But if you look at it on the 4 hour, right here, it almost looks, but it didn't. It just didn't wick this. So, just a big massive two down green. Well, I did hit a nice short right there. Let's put the stop in right there. Actually, I'm gonna move it as it comes down. Move it there. Alright, stopped out. So I got 100, what, 200 and something bucks for that back. Alright, so, see right here. I don't know which. I think it's this one. Draw down to auto liquidate level. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Let's see. Oh, it's a 15-minute candle. Shoot. So right here at 35 would be where your liquidity / fair value gaps are. Okay. Still not what I'm looking for. What I say, 35 is what I'm looking to go back. I'm going to stop at 36.37 for this pullback. If we can get a pullback down into here, into 25, that would make me really happy. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see the this shows the, I can't quite figure out which column it is. That'll show you the actual dollar amount. Maybe I'll try that one and see what that one does. I don't think that's it either. Ah, here we go. I think this is the one I was looking for. The distance to draw down. Okay. So I can remove some of that stuff. There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah, so it shows right here. You can add these columns here on Tradevate, and you can see the distance to draw down. Will, you know, that'll give you that number. So on this 250K, I mean, I've still got quite a bit of room. What is the I don't even know what the 250K. I don't even know what the 250K drawdown is. Oh, I really want to go back short. I'll try it one more time. No, okay. All right. I don't know what they're doing. I mean, it's a two up green, you know, 3 back to the upside, 2 up. So on the 4 hour, so just have to let it play out, I guess. If it gets back low here, L8, I'd be comfortable going back short. But until then, I'm just gonna wait. I don't really see any way to combat that. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, the drawdown on the 250K. I mean, you can't beat it for 16 bucks. So let's just see here. 6,500. Alright, I'm going to get off here. I don't see any reason to do anything for the next next little bit. We're just going to keep trading the range, apparently. Alright, hope you guys have a good rest of the day. I may hop on around 1 o'clock, try to catch a little movement off that 1 o'clock candle. So, alright, hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Thanks.